In a recent video, we've shown how reusable infrastructure as code components, such as Terraform modules, can provision poorly configured infrastructure which may expose your environment to security risks, and how Tenable Cloud Security can help you detect them. But did you know that infrastructure provisioning code can actually itself be malicious and expose sensitive data, even if you don't provision infrastructure using it? Let's see exactly how. In a proof of concept created by one of our senior cloud security researchers, Shelly Raban, she was able to show how certain Terraform commands can leak sensitive data. For example, the external data block lives up to its name and allows an external program to act as a data source. That is, any external program the author of the block chooses. You can imagine how bad this can go, right? It may be local code execution, but it's still code execution that you may not control in case the Terraform code is pulled from an external module, another untrusted source or third party, or even written by a rogue developer. Now, I know what you're thinking. We're fine. We don't just apply Terraform code unsupervised. But data blocks don't only execute on apply. They also execute when you run Terraform plan. Let's say you have a GitHub repository that holds your organization's Terraform code. Utilizing GitHub Actions as your CI/CD, you may have an action that looks like this. This will trigger a Terraform plan on a pull request, even if it's not approved and merged. This is not uncommon as many people view the plan step as harmless. However, if a user submits a pull request with a data block designed to leak sensitive information, the GitHub action will execute the plan automatically, and indeed, the data will leak to the attacker's server. Here's how this looks. The developer adds a data block triggering the curl program to call a malicious external server, thus leaking a user password from the Terraform configuration to that external server. The pull request is submitted and is now waiting to be approved, but even before anyone can even review it, the execution itself triggers the curl function, and as you can see, in the malicious server's terminal on the left, the information is indeed leaked. Luckily, Tenable Cloud Security, as part of its infrastructure as code scanning functionality, detects such instances in your developer's code or the models they use in order to clearly alert you on such findings. Including this scan in your pipeline before you trigger Terraform plan could be the difference between your sensitive data remaining private or it getting in the wrong hands. Stay on top of threats lurking in your infrastructure as code with Tenable Cloud Security.